Hi. How much do you like skincare?
I don't have like a crazy skincare routine.
An average amount.
I really do like skincare, I'm not gonna lie.
I wash my face on a daily basis.
I've been taking care of my skin literally since I was like 22 years old.
Skincare, yes, a lot. I love to treat myself.
Okay, and now you can close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Actually, to be honest with you, this looks to me like a portable speaker.
A sex toy.
Is it like voice activated? Turn on. Nothing.
I have no idea what this is and why it comes off.
When I press the button, it lights up. That's interesting. Oh, okay. This is new.
Some lights are going on. I mean, red light now. It was originally purple. Now it's vibrating.
Another part for you.
Another part? Okay.
Okay, different kind of face masks.
I have here the Glow Addicts.
Acai berry.
Bulgarian rose.
Call it a night.
And Manuka honey.
I'm gonna go for Make My Day. Hydrating.
Honey, because it's sweet.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
I don't know. Is that it? Did I do it right?
maybe I should just like apply it anywhere.
So glide across face and neck.
Yeah, I'm doing this right?
Hi, I'm Vale, and this is
Rustam.
You'd never know you guys worked at FOREO.
We work together actually. Basically Jim and Pam of the office.
I'm Luz Cruz. I'm working in FOREO in the department for customer care.
You take off the little attachment ring, going in for the pink. Oh, wow. We slide this wonderful mask on the device, and then we secure it in place back with the attachment ring.
There it goes. And then I'm gonna apply this. All right, something like that, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Once it's here, you can just press on the button and start blinking. And you can use your mask.
Should I do that?
Yeah, go ahead.
And now it's vibrating.
How does it feel?
Oh, it feels very nice and very soothing.
I'd like to lie down and take a nap.
I don't know, sorry. I just love the feeling of it on my face.
Oh, it's really warm. It feels really nice actually when it's this warm.
It's doing something. I can see that it's like tingling.
What do you think that the benefits of this heating could be for your skin?
I think that eating is good for the skin because it helps it like smooth it a little bit.
Probably because it's enhancing the circulation.
Loosens up your skin, I think.
It helps basically
Open up your
pores. It helps to like also soothe and prepare your skin for like absorbing different creams, serums, like masks.
So now I have a blue color. It's still like vibrating. I don't know if it's... Oh, it's cold.
What do you think the benefits of the cooling could be?
It's supposed to help the skin to be like more firm.
So I guess in the morning it could decaf your face.
It probably helps to tighten pores, I would say.
It went green now. I don't know what that means. I didn't click anything.
Now there's a yellowish kind of light.
Some of the different lights are LED light therapy.
Oh, so that's why it... Ooh, no, I have no idea what light does to you.
I've heard of it, but I would be lying to you if I told you what it was.
It's a pulsating device with many very cool LED lights.
Every one of them has like a different benefit for the skin. So right, the white is the strongest one, so it penetrates like the deepest.
Yeah, and the blue one is I think like for acne, for the bacteria on your skin.
Okay.
And actually, I can control it from the app, so I can change the lights however I want. Oh, and I can turn up the pulsations. full control. And I can turn up the heat, and we can keep track of the temperature here. Dun, 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 dun. Shh.
Would you say that you can see instant results?
I look 10 years younger.
Most of the time after my skincare, I have like redness, which I don't have here.
I like that. Like, I would use this without any foundation.
It does feel more bouncy, I would say, and very hydrated.
It looks and feels really clean and really smooth.
Regenerated.
It's a thing that you hold in your hand. It's like smaller than your phone, and it makes your skin look fabulous.
Little cute machine that have multiple settings on it, so it's kind of like multiple facials or multiple LED lights, and it's super cute.
It's easy to use. Even without instructions, you could figure it out easily.
It feels like a massage. It's very relaxing.
What name of the product?
I don't know, facial in your hand,
Disc?
Like a satellite?
a mini facial.
Facial disc?
Like a comet, maybe?
A planet?
Oh, okay, so you're referring to like a flying saucer. Like it's extraterrestrial.
I have a guess, but I'm not sure if it's right. UFO? Is it? Wow.
UFO? Oh, that's super cool. Oh, because it's like a little UFO?
Exactly.
So UFO FOREO.
Yeah, exactly. Do you feel like you'd want to do another treatment?
Can I?